Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to change your currency in Stripe? Here's quick step-by-step guide. First of all, go to dashboard.stripe.com and log in with your account credentials. Next, click on Settings in the right menu, then go to Business. This is where you manage your default currency. Under Bank Accounts and Currencies, select Manage Currencies. Now, choose your preferred currency. Remember, each currency requires a separate bank account in that currency. Click Save to confirm your new currency. Stripe will now process payments in your selected currency. And that's it. Your Stripe currency is updated. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.